In this video, we will explore a widely used type of assignment a student gets during his academic session: essay. Essays come in four major types: narrative, that tells a story; descriptive, that puts a picture in the reader's head; expository, that explains something; and persuasive, in which the audience is persuaded to agree with the fact. In writing an essay, you need to conduct in-depth research, create a structure, and then revise the draft. Prepare yourself for an appealing essay by conducting an extensive analysis of the topic. Gather the most relevant data and preserve the material for further steps. Research allows you to gain knowledge about the topic that needs to be drafted in the content of an essay. It includes data, facts, and relevant information. Follow the process of making an apt structure for the essay. Start with a simple introduction, continue with a detailed body, and wrap up with a summarized conclusion. Stay tuned to know in depth about the parts of essay's framework. Give the essay an appealing opening that grabs the reader's interest. Make it informative with a crisp of using good vocabulary, including literary devices that expose your creativity. Moreover, end the intro with a dramatic note to hold the curiosity of the reader to read further. To begin with the body, start by targeting the main topic of the essay. Keep the arguments flexible and justify them with facts and statistics. Tackle one idea at a time and avoid mixing up the thoughts. Go with a structured flow. A good conclusion should restate the thesis of the content. Write it in an appealing way that sums up the above content and brings it to an end without repeating the thoughts. Sit in a distraction-free area to edit and proofread your content. Go through the content twice and take note of ticket errors. Look at the structure and overview of the essay. Rectify the mistakes by correcting grammatical errors, punctuation, and sentence formation. For better writing, one can always use essay typer tools. With instant assignment help, students get the free access to such amazing software that assists in creating a flawless essay write-up. This was all about writing an essay. Learn more about it with instant assignment help. Until then, like, share, subscribe.